folks, this is it. This is absolutely no joke. This is the first time, hopefully, that I've ever made sparks come out of a welding machine by myself. I'm not going to do a lot of heavy duty welding here. This machine has 2 settings, high and low, so I'm going to put it on low. I have had the fortune of knowing a lot of really good welders over the years, so I do know a little bit about the process, but not a lot. And there's no one here to teach me, so I'm gonna go for it. I did get some good advice from a lot of people. One in particular is Mike at Mike's Mischief, which is a great channel. Check it out. And he just said, you know what, just grab a piece of metal and don't even try to weld 2 things together. Just have a piece of metal and practice that zigzag and kind of get a feel for the machine. So that's what we're gonna do. Got some flux core in here because that's what came with the machine, and I don't have the I'm not ready to make the financial commitment to buy a bottle of argon gas and all that stuff. I mean, let's see how this goes first. I guess that's really about it. Yeah, I don't know what's going to happen. So you guys out there who know how to weld are probably going to really enjoy this. Those of you who have never tried, maybe this will inspire you to try. I don't know. Gonna go for it and see what happens. What's the worst that can happen? I could light myself on fire. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know if this machine works. I mean, when I turn it on, it hums, and when I pull the trigger, wire comes out. So that's got to be a pretty good start, right? It's got to be a pretty good start. All right, you're about to see it first here. I am nervous as all get out. Okay, here we go. Woo! Now, I'm no expert, but that looks to me like there's just not enough current there. It's just, and then it's making little balls, and it's not doing anything else. This is fairly heavy steel, so maybe that's why. So I guess, you know what, let's go to high mode and see what happens. I don't know. Could be the machine. It could be. Get some clean wire out of here. I don't know. What do I know? Nothing. I know nothing. I know that the gloves are really stiff. Alright. Here we go. I know that's not right. That is not right. I don't know. I do have this thing plugged into a power bar, and maybe it is 120 volt. Maybe I have to go direct to the wall, which is going to be a bit of a problem. I can't even remember where the plug-in is here. Anyway, I made some sparks and I'm not on fire, so I count that as a bit of a success. And we'll just carry on. We'll go from there. I don't know. What can I say? I think the plug-in. Oh, it's right there. All right, hold on. See if that makes a difference. Maybe this thing doesn't even work. It's not very promising. That's not doing anything. I'm gonna bring this in here. Now, you guys out there who know how to weld. Sorry, hand had a cramp there. Tell me what's going on here, okay? that's just making bubbles on the surface. I don't know what's up. Let me know. Anyway, I didn't catch fire and I didn't die. I'm going to call that a success for today. Cheers. So I thought I'd pop out to the shop, and one thing I've really wanted to do for a long time is make sort of what amounts to a custom washer for the wheels that I fit on a temporary basis to the snowblower attachment for the Cub Cadet. But it was never worth finding somebody to weld it together for me, and now that I can practice welding, well, it's time to go ahead and do it. I've already made one, and it turned out okay, so I'm hoping that this turns out even okayer. Just 2 half-inch washers. They're galvanized, which I know enough to know that you shouldn't weld the galvanization, so I've wire wheeled them off and ground a little bit of a reveal in there, so I'm going to clamp them in my vise here and see if I can't make them stick together with my eyes closed, as they say. Well, need a little bit more down there. I think I need more wire speed, honestly. Okay, get a little bit more down here. Come on. Hey, that looks almost like it's going to stick together. We'll come to this side and do over here. Well, you know. Boy, that's pretty ugly. I'm not gonna lie, that's ugly. But, I mean, it's not a total failure. They're stuck together, right? All right. One last little bit. Oh dear. That was too fast. Too fast on the wire feed, for sure. Well, we'll grind it off and see how it looks. You know.